That'll be why he's there. God, you get a few big chops out of that, wouldn't you?
So we just stopped because it started pissing down, big blobs of rain, so that I could put my waterproofs on. And true to form, the minute we're all dressed up, sorry, the minute Steve's dressed me, the rain eases off and I probably don't need them. Although, even with this slight drizzle, my jeans would still get wet, wouldn't they?
That's why pork tastes so nice in the forest. You got crab apples, you got all the nuts from the meat. They sort of marinate in themselves, aren't they, from the inside?
I'm surprised though that a lot of these pigs stay alive out here. Not because there's any wild animals, because of them bastards that will come and nick them.
And they are pretty stupid as well. They're not as stupid as sheep, but they will walk out in front of you if you're not careful. I reckon this has got to be the most stress-free place in the country, you know.
Stress-free?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't
Every time I come here, I just feel it all draining away.
Oh, I don't know. Sitting on the toilet's kind of stress-free, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Lovely Carmen Gear just went past.
A what? Carmen Gear?
Yeah.
Nice. Right.
Black convertible. All clear. Didn't think you was going to make a wildlife video today, did you?
I think that was odds on nailed on when we said we're coming through the forest.
Yeah.
Somebody taking a shit in the woods?
Probably. Wonder if there's a dogging hotspot for the New Forest.
Oh, I expect so.
There's one everywhere else in the country, isn't there?
What, are you thinking of hanging around till sundown?
Well, I've got all day. I've got to get back because Steve's got his live tonight, we've got ours tonight.
Yeah.
Big yellow sign there. Parking on the verge not allowed, and they're all parked on the bloody verge.
Fucking ignorant twat.
1971, that Carmen Gear.
Beauty, innit?
Yeah. I'm just wondering that when we get up here, we could take the A31 down or come up to Burley and get Burley services for you.
Yeah, can do.
And then shoot down the A31 to Ringwood and then bear right underneath.
It says I got 27 miles.
Yeah.
Sure, look at it. Hence the reason we stay away from it. That is a real dog shit road, isn't it?
And it's not even rush hour, is it?
Fucking curb crawling again.
It's like we said before when we was in the forest, well, at 40 mile an hour, you're probably moving faster than that traffic anyway.
Yeah. See, if we used to come up to that on blue lights, and people, you've got to make their minds up for them. So you straddle the white line across the two lanes to let them know you want to go straight down the middle. Because it's easier for the left one to move slightly left, the right one to move slightly right, and we'll just blat on through the middle. So we're
yeah, if you try and come down the outside, it creates mayhem, doesn't it?
Yeah, so we're coming through there once with a poorly kiddie in the back, and I said to my mate, I said, just have a look out the back window and get the registration of that car that is right on our ass and is following us through as the road was.
Really?
Yeah, he was following us through the traffic jam. So he shouts the registration, so I passed it to our control room and they pass it on to the police, and they've radioed ahead to the coppers that are at the accident that's causing the tailback. And of course, as I come through, I slow right down so that this twat behind me has got to slow down as well. And the copper gave me the thumbs up, and I pointed just behind us and he nodded. and he jumped straight out in the road with this car, put his hand up and said stop. So I was like, have that, you bastard. I mean, the trouble is, yeah, all right, he's jumping traffic, but the minute we go through, those cars that have moved for us aren't expecting some other twat to come through as well. You know, there could be 2 ambulances coming through, ambulance, police car, anything like that. But I mean,
yeah, but you would see that, wouldn't you?
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, this copper jumped out in front of him and pulled him over. So I should imagine he got done.
Definitely, or at least a severe bollocking.
Oh, I'm sure they'd have found something to do with him.
Yeah.
Do him full. Yeah, I gotta let us buy. Good on ya. God bless you, darling. I should have shouted to her, shouldn't I? The other 43 are just behind us.
Yeah. There is a petrol station. If we go past the turn off for the bridge, there's a petrol station there. I don't know if there must be one up round Three-Legged Crossway.
Are you getting fuel anxiety on my behalf? Is this part of the BMW Assist package?
Yeah, but as part of BMW Assist, that means I've got to fucking push it.
You won't, because I shall get off it, chuck it in the bush, and I'll jump on the back of yours.
I expect you to jump off it, jump on this, and say, go and push it then. Could have filled up in Crossers how many petrol stations, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Or you could have filled up this morning before you went out.
Could have done.
Now, if I remember right, the first thing you normally ask me is, have you filled up?
Apparently, my remote key is not in range. It's in my tank bag about 9 inches from the keyless fucking ride button.
Yeah. And probably about 10 inches from the sensor, because it's probably under your seat somewhere, isn't it?
Don't know where it is.
Yeah, I couldn't think of anything worse than having keyless ignition.
Well, I mean, the daft thing is, as I said, you've got to stick your hand over there to press the button. Why not just stick your hand over and put a key in?
Exactly.
I'll let you know when you can get fuel anxiety, when it gets down to about 5 miles.
Yeah. Well, we got 61 left. That's not enough.
No. It's funny actually, when it says, oh yeah, you got 49 miles in the tank, it amazes me how quick that goes down to 20 something.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's only an average guess, isn't it? I don't think there's anything actually technical in it, is there? But so saying that, we're not using up fuel at the moment, are we? We're very conservative at the moment. But when we come out on the main road, we're not that far. I mean, we can not shoot up.
Chill.
Car stopped on the corner. He's changing his mind. Come on. That's a pig. Go on then,
That'll do.
before I have your for
That'll
dinner.
do, pig. You stay there, you ugly little shit.
I reckon he'd fit in my top box.
There was a dead deer there as well on the side.
Oh, was there? Wasn't me. Or sheep. Fucking
More pigs. Saddlebacks.
Saddlebacks, yeah.
Coffee and a Mars bar.
Did you not have a bar of chocolate in a sports bike shop, Nige?
Don't know. Did you see me have a bar of chocolate? It's not on film, so it didn't happen.
Oh, okay.
You not filling up?
No, I've got loads. I've got another 150 mile left in the tank.
Plenty in the tank. Now there's a ding dong.
Right. What you seen now?
What am I opening that for? I don't need that open.
I've got to go into this shop now.
Eh?
I've got to go into this shop now with you having arguments with yourself.
Mars Duo.
You're getting your order in.
Right, what should we have? E5, E10. She's pretty, but she's pretty serious looking too.
Sorry? What have I missed now?
No, her that was stood by that red car. I said she's pretty, but I think she knows it. And she's pretty serious looking.
Oh.
See, if you was to fart under the quilt and just waft it up to her, I'm sure she was one of these that wouldn't find it funny.
Oh, that's no good.
While you're holding her head under there.
So, some people have got no sense of humour, have they?
Hold her head under there and diddly-dee,
Oh, lordy.